Hi guys, part 8 or part 7. Pero may klase, ay may bago kami na member guys. Ito guys, ang bata na makulit. Wait lang.
Subscribe sa channel Lamon.
Oy, bobo. Bobo siya guys. Okay guys, hindi ko alam kung nagawin. Ano gawin, Jay?
Punta sa bridge.
Tara guys.
Punta tayo sa bridge, guys.
Uy, ito ang bridge. Pero nasira siya guys.
Broken bridge
siya.
yan, guys.
Oh, broken bridge. Sad to. Maganda pa yan guys.
Talaga.
Semento pa yan guys, sad to. Ito rin guys, broken bridge. At ito guys, naging basura or sunugan. Hindi ko na alam guys. Pero guys, like and subscribe kung gwapo ako. Pero feeling ko pangit ako. Hindi ko alam kayo dyan. Baka pangit sabihin niyo. Kung pangit ako, hindi kayo mag-like and subscribe. Okay lang.
Guys, andito yung bridge, guys.
Yes guys. Makatakot to guys.
Oh, guys.
Sobrang taas
Pero
to guys.
kami, guys, expert kami. Wala kami natatakot, guys.
Pero guys, don't try this at home.
guys.
Don't try this at home guys.
Galing pa, guys, oh.
Hey, treat me like a shit. Guys, may